Persian treasures. Iran, known as the Persian land, is one of the oldest civilizations in the world. Iran, with one of the most ancient, rich, and important artistic heritages, spans many fields including literature, music, dance, architecture, painting, weaving, pottery, calligraphy, metalworking, needlework, stonemasonry, and much more. The traces and signs of this rich civilization and artistic heritage can be seen throughout Persia, from its northern reaches to its southern landscapes and from its eastern borders to its western areas. Thus, the most fitting and impressive name for our exploration is Persian treasure. Every city in Iran, as a bearer of the country's rich history and art, is considered a treasure of the Persian land. In each episode of Persian Treasures, we will take you on a tour of a significant part of each treasure. Join us to learn more about the treasures of the Persian land.